The first thing you want to do in any area problem is draw a good graph of the two functions and determine which function is higher than the other. So we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3, and g of x is equal to 2x plus 6. Of course, f is a quadratic, so it's a parabola, and g is a linear equation, so it's a line. Secondly, if the limits of integration are not given, we'll have to solve the equations for the intersection points. Now you can do that on your calculator or by hand. And in this case, we get the intersection point of -3, 0 and 1, 8. And again, we find out that the line is the higher function. So area is the integral of the top function minus the integral of the bottom function. We have the area equal the integral from -3 up to 1 of 2x plus 6 dx minus the integral from -3 to 1 of x squared plus 4x plus 3 dx. Then you should notice that there can be some algebra that can be done. So we're going to subtract 2x plus 6 minus the entire quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 3, which leads us to a negative x squared minus 2x plus 3. And again, we're to integrate that from -3 to 1. And this is simply now a power rule. So we get the area equaling negative x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 plus 3x evaluated from -3 up to 1. Again, at this point, I would suggest you use your calculator to avoid simple mistakes, and your answer is 32 over 3.